Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield.
So ayun guys, for today's video, doon talaga kami dyan ni Tigreal. In-invite niya ako. Tapos sinabi ko na lang na kahit yan na lang yung jungler namin para sa turtle. Ayun, damantalo naman sa akin dyan si Tigreal kapag nakikita niyang marami akong kalaban dito sa gold lane. Hindi na lang kasi makita yung iba. Tignan nyo na lang sa mapa pag minsan. Ano na lang kasi ito, record na lang, ganun ba. Kung mapapansin nyo, mahina yung boses ko kasi gabi na. Tapos di na pwede magingay dito sa amin. Kaya pagpasensya nyo na lang. Sige, yung panoodin nyo na lang kung ano mangyayari dito sa play na to.
Initiate retreat. Understood. Watch out for flanking. Fear. It drives to blood.
Ayan, dadaraw na sila sa akin dyan. Pero si Layla lang yung mapipitas namin dyan. Makakatakas si Chip.
We forge ahead together, like two parallel lines. I'm not fixated on winning. Not anymore. Watch out for flanking. You win some, you lose some. Now I understand.
Ayan, muntikan pa ako mapitas dyan. Buti na lang makakatakas ako.
Request backup. Wait for me. Understood. Okay. Request backup. Launch attack. The moon is my best companion. Launch attack. Understood. Launch attack. Launch attack. Understood. Not ready. The shore is never as far away as it seems. Launch attack.
magkakaroon ng clash dyan sa turtle guys. Pero makukuha namin yun. Mapipitas namin yung ibang kalaban. Yun lang, panoodin nyo na lang.
Killing spree. I always remember.
Iiwan ko dyan si Tigril para tumulong lang sa turtle para makuha namin.
Team destroy the turret. Wait for me. Request backup. Remember my name. There's much I Launch attack. Understood. Right. Now I understand. You have slain an enemy. An enemy has been slain. Slower, steadier. An enemy has been slain. Keep an eye on them. Push first. Your team destroyed the turret. Launch attack. Destroy the turret. Request backup. Okay. Request backup. Understood. I'm not fixated on winning. Not anymore. Request backup. Enemy has been slain. Right. Request backup.
Dyan guys, tapang tulong na lang sa mga kasangga ko para makipag-clash shut up. Tapos makakapag-push si Layla. Pero ayos lang kasi napatay naman namin yung apat.
Launch attack. Launch attack. Attack the Lord.
Lusting for power makes them weak.
Attack the Lord. Okay. All right.
Sa mga oras na yan, tamang push na lang sa gold lane. Kasi naglo-lord na yung mga kasama ko. Makukuha naman nila yun.
Slain boy. Team destroy the turret.
Mapipitas ako dyan ni hindi ko alam sino, pero mapipitas ako dyan dahil dun sa yellow.
The moon is my best companion.
Okay.
The shore is never as far away as it seems.
Request backup.
Understood. Fear
Request backup.
drowns you in
Launch attack.
Understood. Lusting for power makes them weak.
You destroy the turret. Victory!
Thank you kay ano dyan kay Tigril kasi nagtiwala siya sa akin kahit di naman ako malakas maghanabi.